trout. D is for damselfish. Damselfish, damselfish, damselfish. E is for emperor, angelfish. Emperor, angelfish, emperor, angelfish, emperor, angelfish. F is for flounder. Flounder, flounder, flounder. G is for Garibaldi. Garibaldi, Garibaldi, Garibaldi. H is for harlequin, tuskfish. Harlequin, tuskfish, harlequin, tuskfish, harlequin, tuskfish. I is for Indian triggerfish. Indian triggerfish, Indian triggerfish, Indian triggerfish. J is for jewel damselfish. Jewel damselfish, jewel damselfish, jewel damselfish. K is for cowperch. Cow perch, cow perch, cow perch. L is for lionfish. Lionfish, 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 fish. Is for Moorish idol. Moorish idol, Moorish idol, Moorish idol, Moorish idol. N is for Napoleon wrasse. Napoleon wrasse, Napoleon wrasse, Napoleon wrasse. O is for Opa. Opa. P is for parrotfish. Parrot, parrotfish, parrotfish, parrotfish. Q is for queen triggerfish. Queen triggerfish, queen triggerfish, queen triggerfish. R is for rainbow wrasse. Rainbow, rainbow wrasse, rainbow wrasse, rainbow wrasse, rainbow wrasse. S is for starfish. Starfish, 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 starfish. T is for triggerfish. Triggerfish, triggerfish, triggerfish. U is for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish, unicorn fish, unicorn fish, unicorn fish. V is for violet. Goby, violet, goby, violet, goby, violet, goby. U is for wrasse. Wrasse, wrasse, wrasse. X is for Xantixargo. Xantixargo, Xantixargo, Xantixargo. Y is for yellow boxfish. Yellow boxfish, yellow boxfish, yellow boxfish. Z is for zebra lionfish. Zebra lionfish, zebra lionfish,